What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while and I apologize if I sound sick. I am actually sick. By the title, you guys will know what happened. So over the last week, me and my wife actually been in quarantine here at the house, and I've been sleeping in the living room. She got the nice bedroom, so my back still kind of hurts from the couch, but it's been okay. So it's been about 7 days since we been in quarantine. We got 3 days left. We'll go get tested and hopefully we come out negative. I've been feeling a lot better now. That's why I haven't been uploading. My throat's been kind of, raspy and hurting, and then obviously just like the coughing and stuff, right? It comes with COVID. Today is actually our day 1 of this 16-week journey. I joined this like fitness class thing group, like online. It's called Fit to Fat, or Fat to Fit, something like that, right? Really cool dude, Drew, is the coach. He's actually this fitness guy who he was fit, got himself purposely fat for 4 months, gained a ton of weight, and then we're gonna start this journey starting today. Today, January 4th, is the first day. Yeah, I did some prepping, some food prepping yesterday, or today, tomorrow, and for Wednesday, and then Wednesday is gonna be another meal prep day. If you guys want to see any of those videos, like what we cook, how we eat, get healthy or stay healthy, drop a comment down below, let me know. I can do a ton of those videos. I know you guys are probably wondering what happened with the car. Today's actually going to be a car content video. Probably not the nicest car content video you're going to see, but very informative. Car actually died, so not only did I get COVID, but my car got COVID as well. So we're going to go get that bad boy fixed today. But I just wanted to give you guys an update of what I've been doing and why I haven't been uploading. And then obviously the last half of the year. So after the events and all that good stuff with car content, it kind of just died off. Kind of, racing season's over. It was more of like, let's spend time with the family. So I didn't really have a lot of content, and we got COVID. So that's what we're going to be covering today. So yeah, thank you for sticking around. This is the first upload of 2021. So smash that like button, subscribe if you're new around here. And let's get after it. So I'll see you guys. I can put all my cars in there, right, babe?
Yes.
Where are we gonna put the Subaru?
Inside the house.
The trash.
Shut up. It's the one that it's taking you everywhere because your car doesn't work right now. Exactly.
My car died. If you guys hadn't known yet, my car died, and I gotta go put it back to life today, and the Subaru's gonna help. Subaru's not bad.
Oh, I know it's not bad. I love that car. Like, it's the best. If you're watching this, make sure you buy a Subaru STI.
Don't listen to that. It's gonna break.
It's not gonna break.
All the
It
time.
actually operates pretty good. It just needs a good driver. This one here, apparently it's not.
Yancy's definitely not a good driver.
I am.
We'll catch you guys after the walk.
Whatever.
You got it. You got it. Are you dead?
Yeah.
Are you still alive? Oh, I can't even. Okay. Are you dead?
Can't breathe.
He needs some milk.
Got the Rona. Let's go. So we are on our way to probably AutoZone. Gonna grab another battery for the car. So battery is right there. We're gonna go ahead and get that bad boy, and the Subaru is to the rescue. So let's do a cold start for the boys. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but the car is super loud. Yo, check me out. I got my new glasses. I actually stopped by the vision place here because I needed to pick up my new glasses. I like them. They're not bad. If you guys don't like them, whatever. I do. And I have that nice little red on the side. But all we're doing right now, is gonna be, we're driving over to AutoZone, get the new battery, and yeah, we'll We'll give you guys an update once we are done with that, once we're putting it in the car. I actually got some things to show you guys on the car. If you guys don't know, like in case your battery dies on you, how you can get into your car and turn it on, or not turn it on obviously, but how you can get into the car and stuff like that using your little key inside your key fob. And yeah, just gonna give you guys those little bit of information if you guys haven't seen it already. If you guys have seen it already, well, still watch it because you're on my channel and I appreciate the support. But oh my goodness, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice. A whopping 25 miles an hour. Max speed in a Subaru STI. I'll tell you that, it was terrifying, guys. No, it's pretty quick. I like the car. I'm not gonna dog on it too hard. Let's get to AutoZone. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, boys, so we're back. So we got the battery. Ah, dang, 150 bucks, man. That was even with my brother's discount. But you know, shout out to Brandon, my bro, hooked me up with his discount. All right, cool. So key fob has this little thing right there. All you're gonna do is you're gonna poke that in and then open the key fob up. Once you get it open, I'm gonna review the little actual key. All right. So this little guy actually comes off. This part, if you look underneath, there's a little slot, and the little slot has an arrow. So you're gonna put your key in the position, and then you're gonna kind of like in a weird way go that way, right? So you go like that. And the thing just comes off. Right, so you just kind of wiggle it in there and then move that way. I'm guessing it releases like one of these little clips or something, and that's it. So you remove that. Once you get that removed, this is how I did it. Kind of put the key inside here because I don't have any pliers on me right now, and that's how I turn it to get it open. But essentially you just do your key thing and you open the door, and voila, the door is open. If you don't know, I'll show you guys something real quick. So this is your door, right? Obviously, bruh, your car does not lock, right? Because it's obviously battery operated, everything, so you can't really just push the little button. If you look in there, there's a little, see right there, see if I don't know if I can point it with you guys see it right there, literally where the light is shining onto it. That little slot, if you actually turn it to the right, it'll lock your door. The only thing that will suck is if you lowered your window, like let's say you double tap your unlock button and press it down, it'll lower your windows down. Luckily I didn't do it because that would have totally sucked. Gave me like an extra day for me to go and get the battery. But if I had done that, you're stuck. Like I don't think there's a way to get the windows to power back up without that. So Mustang somewhere. But yeah, it's just and I also was smart enough to pop the hood open so that way I can just have access to it without having to unlock the car. But just make sure you put everything in a safe location, and you will be right back. Now the only tools you're going to need is going to be, you're going to need a 10 mil. I needed an 8 mil for this little bracket thing that holds the battery. I don't know, yours might be different, maybe a 10 mil, whatever. Mine was an 8 for that guy right there. Just kind of holds the battery in place so it's not swerving and moving around everywhere. So this guy was an 8 millimeter. And then just make sure you cover your posts, that way you don't do any weird stuff. Yeah, hopefully we bring her back to life because right now she's dead. So guys, she's alive. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's loud, but she's alive, kicking and screaming. No weird stuff. Everything works. Sweet, sweet smell of E85. And she lives again. Right now we're just gonna drive it. After a car dies and stuff like that, like even if you just like recharge the battery, you want to drive it around so the battery, like the alternator, could charge the battery up again. This is a new battery, so you shouldn't need that, but I don't want to kill a new battery. Pretty simple. Like I said, all you need is a 10 mil, an 8 mil to hold down the battery, and yeah, I mean, just make sure that everything is good. Obviously red or positive, negative, negative, or black, ground, and you should be good. So I'll see you guys here in a moment. And then just real quick to recap, once you're putting this little guy back on, you kind of start from the end and then slide it forward the opposite direction from when you took it off, right? You put the key in, slide right, put it in, slide left, and then the other way around on the other side. Let's pick up the wife, go for the remaining part of our groceries, and then we're gonna cook our food. So that's probably what I'm gonna leave off this video now, and then we'll drop the next video in the next couple of days. If you guys are new around here, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. I would definitely appreciate you guys. And then the people that have been waiting so long for a video, I apologize, but again, I was sick, had COVID, which I'll give you guys an update probably the next video on, you know, what it's like to have it, everything you need to know and do, and then obviously stay away from people. But we're good now. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. What?
Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah, like my glasses?
They're cute.
Like a grandpa?
Yeah. Sugar daddy.
Little does she know that I have no money.
I know what that bank account has.
Are you eating gum?
No.
With sugar?
No.
And high glutenose? Or whatever you call it?
You want one?
Shit! No, I don't want any of your Korean gum that you buy.
They're so good, guys. It's called
Bruh. What? What's it called?
I don't know. It doesn't come out that great in the second time.
Oh my goodness.